So if you want to see how I got this makeup look from Deck of Scarlet palette, just keep on watching. To let you know a little bit about the Deck of Scarlet palette and how I got this makeup look. You can use my code LILAC for 30% off your first palette. This palette comes every 2 months, and within the palette you'll receive 3 eyeshadows, 3 eyeshadows at the top, a highlighter, a blush, and as well we have 2 lipsticks. With this palette they collab with different people, and they make the palettes for that particular season. With the discount, you get this palette for $21. It also comes with the mascara, which is phenomenal. And if you're a new subscriber, you could pick your first palette, so that's awesome. I have a link for you guys down below. Like I said, it's 30% off the edition of the Scarlet palette, the Deck of Scarlet palette. And if you click that link in my description, you can get it for $21. Any other month after that, it's $29. You can cancel at any time. And it's cruelty-free as well as paraffin-free. And we ship to the US, Canada, and the UK. So go over there to Deck of Scarlet, get this palette. It is awesome. I left some swatches, and I did a tutorial on how to get this makeup look using this palette. Thank you. Guys, so today I'm going to be doing a product review on Deck of Scarlet. I'm going to leave some information down below in regards to a discount code, which you get 30% off. It's $29.95 every 2 months for this, and you'll get this, and inside you'll receive a note and information regarding the palette. For this month, it is Belle Jorden, and they did a collaboration with her. She's an artist-in-chief for the season. So they send you this little card. As now here is the package that I received, and inside you receive this, which is a mascara. And here is the palette for the season and the packaging. Here you go. And then on the bottom it opens up and you have 2 lipsticks. They're really pretty colors, as well as 3 eyeshadows, a highlighter, 3 eyeshadows, a highlighter, and 1 blush. It's really pretty colors. Okay, so I already put on my foundation and my powder, and I'm gonna start to dig into the palette. First, I'm going to do my eyes, then I'll do my blush, and then my highlighter. So first off, I'm going to dig into this color right here, Drama. I'm gonna put that in my crease. So I take it and put this in my crease. Wow, these colors really blend really nice. Really nice. Okay, then next what I'm gonna do is take this color Crush right here and put that on the outer corner. Wow, that's really pigmented, really pretty. Love it. It's kind of like a smoky eye. And then next, what I'm gonna do is take Supernova and put this color on my lid. We'll try it first with a brush and see what happens. And then if not, I'll use my finger. But wow, look at that. Wow, that's a lot on the brush. And we'll just pat this on. Oh wow, that's really pretty. Very pretty. Wow, that's really nice. Okay, then we're gonna go back in again with our brush and take a little Drama and Crush and just blend it in. Wow, that's really pretty. Really pretty eye. Loving it. Okay, so I'm gonna do this eye and then come back and we'll work on the blush and the highlighter and then the lipstick. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna dip into this color right here, which is your blush. Okay guys, so next color I'm gonna dip into is the blush and it's called Whisper. There we go. Put a little bit on my brush. Put on my cheeks. Oh wow, this is beautiful. It's very pretty. Love it. Wow, it's really pigmented and pretty. Okay, next I'm gonna do is put some of the highlighter on. And this is called Shh. Really pretty. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at that. That's very pigmented, so go over it again with the blush. It's very nice. Very pigmented products. You'll see the swatches of the products as well. And then next, I'm gonna go in with the mascara. Oh wow, this is really nice. Very nice. Really coats the lashes. Very nice makeup. Very pretty. Now next I'm gonna go in with the lip colors. So here they are. They're Tempting and Passion. So I'm gonna take a little bit on my finger and then take a little bit on my finger. And put it on. So we'll dip in the light color and let's see. It's very pretty. So let's try Passion. Here's Passion. Let's try Passion. Oh, wow. It's very pigmented. And then we'll put a little bit of Tempting in the middle. Okay, so here's the finished look. It's very pretty. The mascara is beautiful. The eyes are awesome. I absolutely love this. This is definitely worth every 2 months for $39.95. And use my code down below and you'll definitely get 30% off. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.